Hi, I'm Matt from Matt Harrison Construction. We're down here at Heywood Terrace. This is a 5-unit development for one of our clients, due to be completed before Christmas.
Morning, I'm Adam from Matt Harrison Construction. This morning we're down at Heywood Terrace. As you can see, we've had a good week this week. We've had the first 4 frames turn up and the firewalls installed this week. We've got this crane on site this morning and we're going to be lifting in the 5 cassette floors. From there we're going to get a good push on tomorrow on Saturday, and we're going to have the frames delivered this afternoon for the second story. This means by next Wednesday we'll hopefully be standing trusses, and in that 2-week period we will have gone from a concrete slab to ready for roof. Everything's gone well on site this morning. We just got the 5th floor going in place for Unit 1. Yeah, it's good. Been a good experience.
So a successful morning at Heywood Terrace installing the cassette flooring. We reckon we've gained around a month construction time for our client. Great work by the MHC boys. Thanks for checking in with us at Heywood Terrace. Until next time.